Hi guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today to talk about a product that one of our suppliers has. Dorman being one of our partners through our friends at CarQuest, who is our main parts supplier, has a great product that we ended up finding out to save our customers some money. We are currently working on a transmission service on a 2008 BMW 535xi. My man Drew's plugging away here.
Hi guys.
And what is so special about this vehicle, Drew, and why are we excited about this, finding this kit?
Well, it's a high-end European vehicle. Manufacturer says it's built for life, but preventive maintenance is the best for your vehicle to avoid any issues. Now over here, the vehicle is running right now. It's recycling the fresh fluid through it. We have a plastic oil pan with the cooling fins on it, drain plug. Now over here we have a fill plug. But in the way is this drive shaft. It's got to come out of the way to properly access the fill plug. And yeah, Dorman's got a great product. Fresh pan, fresh filter, and fresh bolts, as these are aluminum bolts and all that need to be replaced whenever it's serviced now. So they say it's fill for life, but you know what? Nothing better than preventive maintenance to make sure it lasts.
Thanks, Drew. So our friends at BMW sell it, of course, as the separate pan and separate bolts, but our friends at Dorman ironically have come up with this kit that has the bolts, the filter, and the pan all in one assembly at a much more reasonable cost to the consumer. And for those of you that are shop owners that are interested in the part number for these BMWs, this is the part number that we're dealing with here. So thanks to Dorman for saving our customers some money and enabling us to pass the savings on to them with a great product. Have a great day, guys.